Hello to everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel City Civiler. In today's session 2 on motion in a plane, basics of projectile motion will be discussed through illustrations. In earlier session we discussed analytical method of vector addition, that is parallelogram vector addition, parallelogram rectangle vector addition through illustration, and also we have discussed dot product, cross product, how parallel vectors are operated, right? Which you can review on City Civiler. Now let's start with the questions. Question is, the trajectory of the projectile from the ground is given by y equal to x minus x square by 20, where x and y are measured in meters. The maximum height attained by the projectile is, maximum height we have to find this h. Formula, this is u square sine square theta by 2g. Nothing we have to find out u, we have to find out theta, right? In this case, this is the projectile motion. When the body is projected from ground with initial velocity u, make an angle theta with this one. Horizontal component is u cos theta, vertical component is u sin theta, right? At maximum height, velocity is not zero, there is only horizontal component constant, that is ux, which is constant throughout the motion, right? Now, in this case, we have to find the theta and u given in equation trajectory. Y equal to x tan theta minus gx square upon 2u square cos square theta equal to x tan theta 1 minus x upon r. This is the equation trajectory. According to requirement, either we have to pick up this one or we have to pick up this one. According to question, y equal to x minus x square by 20, right? So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Comparing tan theta comes out to be 1, theta comes out to be pi by 4, and another thing, g upon 2u square cos square pi by 4 equal to 1 by 20. G की value 10, 2 u square cos square pi by 4 1 by root 2, that is into 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 20. This goes, u square comes out to be 200, right, in SI unit. Therefore, we have to find the maximum height. Height will be equal to u square 200 sine square theta, u square sine square theta, that is sine of square pi by 4 upon 2 into g 10, 200 into 1 by 2 upon 20. This comes out to 10, that is 5 meter. Maximum height is 5 meter. D option is the correct option, right? But I would like to request certain other informations. These formulas are applicable here when these are the assumptions are. If there is any change in the assumptions, then this will not be applicable. There is no friction resistance of Earth. This is our one of the assumption. Effect due to rotation of the curvature of Earth is negligible. This is another assumption. The acceleration due to gravity is constant both in magnitude and direction at all points during the motion of projectile, because the value of g changes on height, depth and rotation. During projectile motion, this should be remain constant. Then these formulas are applicable. Now, next question. A projectile is launched at an angle alpha with the horizontal with velocity 20 meters per second. After 10 seconds, the velocity with horizontal is beta. Value of 10 beta we have to find. We have to take the value of g 10 meter per second square. One of the option is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main 2022, right? Now start the question. This is the projectile motion graph. Body is projected from O with the velocity u making angle theta. Horizontal component, vertical component, this component remains constant throughout the motion. This is the maximum height, right? P is the point, P is the point, P is the point, velocity at any instant. That is given by V equal to under root Vx square plus Vy square. That is Vx u cos theta minus u sin plus u sin theta minus gt whole square. On further simplification, we get u square plus g square t square minus twice u gt sin theta. This is the velocity at an instant, and direction tan beta equal to Vy over Vx, that is u sin theta minus gt upon u cos theta, right? Beta means this is beta after 10 seconds. Now using this relation, according to question, we have to find beta. Theta is alpha, u is 20 meter per second, g equal to 10 meter per second square. Substituting values, tan of beta equal to u sin theta 20 sin theta sin alpha minus 10 into 10 divided by u cos theta 20 into cos of alpha. Breakup means this upon this, this upon this. So on simplification we get sin alpha upon cos alpha minus 100 upon 25 1 over cos alpha. This comes out to 10 of alpha minus 5 sec of alpha, right? So correct answer is 10 for B is the correct answer. B is correct answer, right? Now in this case, I will again repeat, velocity at any instant, you can use this formula directly. Direction at any point, this you can use formula directly. In this case, the application was of direction of velocity at any instant. That is the formula. Use simple one formula. Directly we can use, if you know the concepts very well, we can orally find the answer. But these concepts should be known to you. No air resistance of air, effect due to rotation of the curvature is negligible, action due to gravity is constant both in magnetic direction at all points during the motion of projectile. In the derivation of this form, these are assumptions has been considered, which are very, very useful for JEE Advanced, JEE Main NEET entrance examinations, right? Next question. Question is, a projectile is projected with velocity 25 meter per second at an angle theta with the horizontal. After t seconds, its inclination with the horizontal becomes 0. If R represents the horizontal range of the projectile, then value of theta will be, we have to pick up one of the correct answer. Question is taken for JEE Main 2022. Concept applicable solution. This is the basic of projectile. Body is projected from ground at maximum height. This is the H is the maximum height. At maximum height, inclination with horizontal equal to 0. Means after t it becomes at maximum height. Time taken in this O2H is t and H to be t. Time of flight is 2t, that is equal to t, that is equal to twice u sin theta by g. So t comes out to be u sin theta by G. This equation is 1. Right? Now, this is the range. This is range. One formula is R equal to U square sine 2 theta by G. But this has been derived using the concept horizontal component of velocity ux into time of flight 2t. इसको इक्वेशन 2 मार्क कर दिया. Right? Now, 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1. R by t equal to u cos theta into 2t divided by u sin theta into g. Right? This u goes, this becomes cot theta into 2t into g. G की value 20 put to 20t. Right? No. We have to find R by t comes out to be cot theta into 20t. Cot theta comes out to be R upon 20t square. Theta comes out to be cot of inverse R upon 20t square. This is the answer. Let's see the answer. D is the correct option. D is the correct option. Now I will repeat again. In this case, we use the concept of basic derivation of the range. Basic derivation range is derived horizontal component of velocity into time of flight. Time of flight ले लिया because at maximum height it was at point H. Because inclination was with the horizontal is 0. T total time of flight 2t equal to 2u sin theta by g. T comes out to that, and we have discussed. These assumptions are very, very important. I will again repeat, very useful for NEET examination and other entrance purposes, right? Now, I will request, if you're new to my YouTube channel, City Swift Learn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept clearing videos. Thank you. धन्यवाद. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.